Hello everyone. So today is Sunday and I have a very exciting parcel coming up today. I have to pick it up and I'm so excited. Me and my mom just come back from Emart and I saw the notification on my phone saying that my parcel has been delivered. I told my mom that, Mom, we need to go home like right now. I am currently waiting for my mom. I need to go home to pick up my SD card. That's my mom. You guys are coming along with me. And also I will do unboxing later. I'm so excited! I'll catch you guys later. Let's unboxing. So inside the box, we have mini 2-in-1 tripod. And then we have quick release mount, a pivot stand. And we have the camera. Ta-da! Oh, focus. The camera. I bought together with accessory. I bought the screen protector case to go with it. And of course it's pink. So here is the camera. So here is the camera. Okay, Mama. Oh, yeah, just like that. Cable, C to C. This to put on your cap, and then like this. And then we have the action pod. Ooh, like that. Ta-da! Yeah, and you can just film like this. This film off. Ta-da! Ta-da! This long strap. Here is the case. Ooh, it looks so cute. Okay, it's on. So guys, here is the camera. So this is the view, like right here, and this is the camera. So what do you guys think? I look so pretty. Kan, cantik kan? And here is the view outside. Ta-da! Guys can see. Cantik. Kita nak beli ayam goreng shilin. So, kita sudah masak. XXL crispy chicken sikit, spicy. Kecil. Pakai cup.
Use your card.
Thank you. So, sementara menunggu kita masuk pesan. the goods. Where is my car? Just now. Alright guys, so should look here or look here. I already tested the camera just now and I did kind of like an action video where I'm using this on my neck like this. Surprisingly, it gives like a very good result. I am really happy about this camera and I will be filming a lot of video using this camera, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, by looking at myself at the viewfinder right now, insane. A lot of feature that I have no idea about, and I need to watch a lot of tutorial on YouTube and TikTok on how to actually get this camera function. I also have like a lot of accessories here that I need to explore. That's all for today's video, and I will update you guys in a future video, I guess. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching.